Good morning, my dear children and my dear parents. Now, today I am going to teach you how to write in cursive, which we also call a running handwriting. And it is good if children learn it in senior KG, because from first, second, third, fourth they can use the cursive writing in their writing. Let us put today's date first. 21st of July 2020. 21st is today's date, 7th is the month of July, and 20 is the year. Write CW on the top. And now let us see how we write the capital letter in cursive writing. Same as you write A in print letters, but just you have to give like a small balloon in between and it becomes a capital A in cursive. A A A A. And like this you can practice writing the capital letter A of cursive. Then the small a in cursive you have to write in between two lines, blue lines, like this. This is your A. You can see two ears from both the sides of small a. This is your cursive writing work you have to do at home for today in your CW notebook. My dear children, it will be a pleasure to learn cursive writing along with your studies, and I hope you will practice this one page in your notebook. Now for today's class we have learnt double L sound, some words ending with double L. And my dear children, try to read these spellings aloud and write them one time in your notebook. I don't want you to write this full page, but at least write one time each spelling and read it loudly. Then second is the story time, and here it comes with some reading for you. Now as you know, we have just gone through the double L sound words. This is the short story for you with the words ending with double L. Let us read the story today. There was a well on the hill. THERE, there. There, WAS, was a well on the hill. In the picture, you can see a well there. There. Yeah, that means it is far. A well on the hill. This is a hill. There is a well on a hill. Jill went up the hill. She is Jill who had gone up the hill. Jill went up the hill. Her doll fell into the well. Now you can see the double L sound. Doll fell well. HER, her doll fell into the well. Jill had a doll which fell into the well. Now, who can pull the doll out? Who can take out the doll from the well? That means, who can pull the doll out? The answer is Jill can pull the doll out. So, my dear children, read this story. Keep your finger in the book and read the story. We'll practice this in tomorrow's online class also. But for today, you copy these words. JILL, Jill. WELL, well. HILL, hill. DOLL, doll. PULL, pull. And FELL, fell. So, with this story we are going to end with this double L and double S sound work. And next we will be beginning with the blends. and they are very interesting. Once you are perfect with all this, then we will move ahead towards the blend. And my dear children, I like to take a short test on what we have learned by now. Okay? So take care. Bye-bye and see you tomorrow.